Hey there, you're watching our newest content delivery called Gadgets on Game Over. You're watching Game Over Gadgets, where we order gadgets, goodies, and gizmos, get them sent to us, we open them up, we unbox it, we reveal it to you, we show you what we got, why we got it, what we're going to use it for, and sometimes even the application for it. So thank you for watching our newest feature, Game Over Gadgets. And if you like what you see, click on the button below, hit the subscribe button, and then you'll see cool new goodies, gadgets, and gizmos every week on Game Over. Today, we are looking at a mystery package that we got here from eBay. That's right, this is the first episode of our gadgets. So we're going to look at a gadget we bought on this new extension or this new content. What we're going to do is we take stuff that we buy and we open it, we do the unboxing, and we do a reveal, dun, dun, dun. And then we tell you why we bought it, and if we can, we'll give you a quick review of it. So let me present to you the scenario. We are building several media players for personal use. We're involving Dell Optiplex i3 computers, which are low profile. And so we're looking for a low profile video card that will support HDMI output, will support sound output as well, are not going to cost us a ton of money, and that a key feature is that we need a fan. We've tried to use the fanless half-height cards, and the problem that we run into is since the Dell power supply, as you can see here, is right next to the PCI Express slot, there's not a whole lot of room here for a video card, and therefore when you place a video card into that location that does not have a fan and you put the lid on it, it just builds up heat. There are some great cards out there that don't have a fan. They are just using a passive cooling system. However, they really have failed in our preliminary builds, and so we're seeking something else. So naturally, we would start looking into something like a GX710 or GX730. The only problem is that they're expensive right now. I mean, they're really, really expensive right now. So we said, okay, so let's take a look at something used. Instead of dropping $100 or $150 onto a card, I cannot believe that a GX730 video card is going for $145. That's absolutely insane. It is not a gaming card. It is really a replacement for any built-in video. Now, we were trying the built-in video, but the Intel HD video that's built into the Dells was giving us a lot of problems. So let's take a look. So in our quest for the video card, we came across several different options. And the one we chose to go with, open this up, was something that we spent about $12 on. Yeah, I know that's not a lot of money for a graphics card these days, but it will meet our needs. And here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. We went with a Quadro. That's right, an NVIDIA Quadro 400. Why would we go with a Quadro? Well, first of all, if you notice, it has an active cooling system. Okay, we've got a fan, and it's a blower system, so it actively cools and blows out the front of the card. Secondly, it does support HDMI through 2 different ports. However, we are only going to access one of them, and that is the display port, which is going to also give us our audio. The next thing is that this does come, and this is the most important reason why we didn't go with an older Radeon card. Currently, NVIDIA makes a driver for this card for Windows 10 64-bit. If you go seek out some of the much older AMD video cards, you'll notice that you'll have to run a Windows 8 driver in there, and it doesn't really have a native driver. However, the Quadro card does, so it meets our needs. Everything that we were looking for our media player at a fraction of the cost of something new, and it's going to fit into our system absolutely perfectly. So, and we'll fire it up and you can take a look at it and we'll go from there. So we downloaded the driver for the NVIDIA Quadro card. It is the GeForce video driver, and when we run it, It'll install the GeForce Experience for us flawlessly. Worked really, really well. Not a problem at all with the Windows 10 install. We agreed, we installed it. It brought up the NVIDIA GameForce Experience package. Here we go. And then from there, we just want to make sure that it's working right. So we launched and checked it out on TechPower's GPU-Z just to verify that it is reading as what it should be. And as you can see, it is a Quadro 400. Yep, there you go. So as you can see, the Quadro fit quite well in there. We got our drivers loaded, and it's going to work really well for our video playback through Kodi on our Dell Optiplex i3 media streaming device. We've also enabled file sharing so that we can use something such as a Raspberry Pi at a remote location in the house, or even sideload a Fire Stick with Kodi and tap into the file server as well. So we're just putting in a centralized box, and we're going to hook that up to our big screen TV, and that's going to provide video. We just picked up a very inexpensive Windows remote control, and then the rest of it's all going to be server based into the other remote locations. So again, we went with the NVIDIA Quadro 400 for about 12 bucks. And it really did meet everything that we were looking for. Thank you for watching Game Over Gadgets. You have a great week.